Alright, so we are going to get into our hunger in this game. So we already have the hunger here, but we don't have an actual functioning over time it drains. So we're going to do that now, as well as probably add a death that it will initiate once it reaches 0. So we're going to create an empty. I'm going to call it hunger. So trigger. On start, run conditions. Actually, no. On start, we're just going to. We're gonna wait. Actually, we're gonna wait about 30 seconds, and then stat. We're gonna change our hunger down. Did I? I don't think I ever added a hunger, did I? Oh, I did, okay. Hunger. Subtract by 1. Alright. And that's that for that trigger. I'm going to create another one called Hunger Death? Or no. We'll figure it out, the name, after I figure out what this trigger even does. So on stat attribute change hunger, we're going to run a condition. Conditions, add branch. So if player hunger equals 0, then actually we're going to set active, and then we're going to create another new trigger and duplicate hunger, call this health drain, and this one is going to be every 1 second we're going to subtract health by 1. Alright, I'm going to set this to unactive because we're going to set it active once our hunger reaches 0 here. Alright, do a quick test. I'm going to turn my hunger all the way down almost, just so it's pretty fast. I'm going to go 0.01. Actually, I'm going to go 0.03. So there's going to be 3 hunger. I'm not going to wait a minute and a half though, so I'm going to quickly just upscale this to 3 seconds, just for testing purposes. Alright. Wait 3 seconds, down. Wait 3 seconds, down. Down. Oh, repeat. I need to repeat that. Restart. Instructions, and I probably need to do that with health drain too. Restart. Alright. Quick test. Down. Wait 3 seconds. Down. Wait 3 seconds. Down. Set active the health drain. So now we've run out of. Yeah. And then I'm going to have to add another one, so if my hunger is greater than 0 or greater than 1, then it will turn health drain off. So that works. So hunger, death. I'm going to add another branch to this. If player stat hunger is greater or equal to 1, then set active health drain to off. And to really test this, I'm going to make a little cheat button on the side to give me food. So in our side panel, instead of a rifle button, this is going to be our food button. I should have just kept that one there and just edited it. Damn. Player hunger, add 5. Alright. And I'm definitely going to change the picture because that will get confusing for testing purposes. Give me some food. Alright, food's just up here. We'll do the soup. Okay, let's test this. Never changed the name either. I'm gonna make rolling as well. Drain hunger. Not by a lot, probably like 0.3 hunger. Just every little melee action or action like that. Alright, so let's get some food. That should stop the drain. Yep. Down. And also with the gun, how it adds plus 30 off the start, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make it 0 and you just got to reload it every time you equipped it. I like that idea better. So my health is not draining after the second time, so I'm going to have to figure that out either too. Trigger, hunger, death. On attribute change, hunger. If hunger is less than 1, maybe. We'll try that. And then greater or equal to 1. Okay, maybe that will work. And this is totally optional for you guys, but like I said with my gun, I don't want it to add 30 bullets. Okay, let's test this. Testing hunger, also testing the gun. Please be 0. Yep. So you can't shoot. Gotta reload it when you equipped it. Okay, hunger's gone down. Add hunger. And watch our health drain after this time it goes down, please. What is going on? Okay, this might have to be an on enable then. On enable. Maybe that will work. Okay, feed them. And please work again. There we go. And we'll eat again. Stop that. And test it one more time. Please work. Perfect. Alright, so we got a functioning hunger system now. And a nice little ammo system. Next, we're going to make a death for the player in case he runs out of food or runs out of health, or I mean health in general. So we're going to do that like, we're going to create an empty. I'm going to call it death. And add a trigger on start, run conditions, add conditions. Or no, not on start, on stat attribute change, player health. Okay. So this being, let's see, if stats, if player health equals 0, then we are going to enter a state. This state is going to be our death state. So I'm going to create that state under animations. I don't like to use ragdolls, just simply because of the fact it's not perfect on game creators. Sometimes it looks really good, other times you fly 3,000 feet. So we're just going to create a new animation state here. This state being called death state. Death state 1, because I'm going to have different death animations for different characters, but this one mainly is going to be used for us. Okay, so soldier death. Let's see how this looks. Okay, I don't like that because he's holding a pistol in that one. Soldier death 2. Okay, whatever. We'll use this one. Alright, so on death, we will enter death state. And then after that, you can add like a little loss menu, exit out the game. That will be done later. But yeah, let's give this a shot. I'm going to lower my health up to start too so it doesn't take as long. Alright. Okay. Health is draining. We can't heal ourselves fast enough, and then we're gonna die. Let's see. I'm gonna also make it so you can't move, because yeah, you can still move and rotate, but as you can see, the death works. So on death, we're also going to set our player input, controllable off, and none, just to be safe. We're going to also set our combat off, canvas, combat panel off, and we're also going to set our side panel off, and we'll try that out. And this obviously works for if you get shot to death. Like, this isn't just from starving to death. This will happen anytime your health runs to 0. So I could be fighting an enemy right now behind the wall. He just shot me in my neck, and I'm about to drop dead. Bang. Yeah. I'm gonna make a little blood pile too underneath. It's fairly easy. I can do it in the next 2 minutes because that's all I have left. Type in blood here. I'm sure one of my packs has a blood splatter in it. Here we go. I'm going to drag and drop that under player. Okay, move the mesh collider, remove that. And okay, we're going to use a big blood pile like that. Okay, so I'm going to set the scale to 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 for now. So I don't want you to see it. I'm going to set it inactive. And then death. I'm going to set active blood pile to true. And then we're going to scale it up. Scale to 1.5, 1.5. 1.5 in the matter of 7 seconds linear time. Alright, play. Do I have time? Yes, I do. I might have just rushed that. Hopefully it works good though. I definitely rushed that. I was trying to squeeze it in the last minute. Alright, shooting. I'm in a fight. And I've just been shot in the head. I didn't. Why isn't it? Oh, because I didn't. It would have worked if I didn't have wait to complete. Alright, well, that's that. My 15 minutes are up. This will probably be another multi